Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, we got some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So I want to take this time to say a Happy New Year's to everyone out there. I hope you guys have a good New Year, as well as start off the New Year's with a bang. Safely, though. Anyway, guys, we're going to be checking out Harbor Freight's Happy New Year special deal. 15% off any single item in store or online. So you got 3 days only. It started December 30th all the way to January 1st while supplies last. So that's the big one, 15% off any single item. Not a bad deal right there, guys. That's the big coupon for the New Year's special or the New Year's deal. So that's the big coupon, and now we're going to check out what else Harbor Freight has in store with the New Year coupons. So this is the New Year new coupons, Monday, December 30th through Sunday, January 12th. So like always, guys, we're going to touch on the stuff that we've had some experience with, some stuff that we've heard, some good or bad stuff about, some things that we have had experiences with, whether it's good or bad. We're going to let you guys know. If I miss something, I do apologize, guys. However, if you have some good or bad experiences that you would like to share with us on a particular item, whether I've touched on it or whether I have, whether I haven't or I have, make sure to go ahead and put it in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So right off, we have some air tools and compressors. Not much for us there. Automotive. Here is a big variety of some Daytona Jacks. So we got the Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile professional floor jack. Original price is $239. It's on sale for $189.99. We got the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. Original price is $239.99. It's on sale for $169.99. And then last but not least, we have the Daytona 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump. Original price is $159.99. It's on sale right now for $129.99. Not a bad deal there, guys. You guys know how I feel about the Daytona Jacks. Absolutely love them. 100% worth the money. Especially when you can get them on sale like this. Definitely worth it. So they come in 4 different colors on each one. Not a bad deal there. Pittsburgh Jacks, I've heard a lot of good stuff about it. I have not had firsthand experience with it. However, I've heard a lot of good stuff. So they have the 2-ton low-profile aluminum racing jack with rapid pump. Original price is $184.99. It's on sale for $149.99. That's the aluminum version, so it's going to be a lot lighter than your big, beefy Daytonas here. Next up, we have the Daytona 2,500-pound capacity professional steel vehicle dollies. It's a 2-piece. Original price is $84.99. It's on sale for $69.99. This is actually what we purchased before. We have not used those yet, but very good quality from the Daytona, as you would expect. Highly recommend them. Haven't used them yet, but seem like really good quality. So for $69.99 for 2-piece, not a bad deal. Moving on, we've talked about these Daytona Jack stands before. These are the 6-ton. Original price is $79.99. It's on sale for $59.99. Not a bad deal there. We've talked about these as well. These Storehouse hose clamp assortment. Original price is $649. They're on sale right now for $499. It's always good to have a couple extra hose clamps lying around for emergency purposes. Or just when you break one or have to cut one off, you have the ability to replace it. So next up, we have the Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump. It's on original price is $209.99. It's on sale for $179.99. That's the 2-ton. And we just had the 2-ton up here. My personal opinion is for the little extra bit of money, I would suggest going with the Daytona. But then again, it's all personal preference. I've never heard anything bad about the Pittsburgh Jacks, so I guess it's personal preference on that. Next up, we have the Zurich ZR4S OBD2 code reader. Original price is $59.99. It's on sale for $39.99. These are pretty excellent code readers. Never had an issue with them. I have the ZR13. You guys see it in a lot of my videos. I actually use it quite often. Not a bad scan tool for what you get. This is the ZR4, so I'm assuming it does a lot less. But we've talked about these before. I would suggest maybe looking at a different retailer, maybe Amazon. They have a lot of scan tool options there. They do a lot for maybe a little bit better price point. Just to let you guys know there. Moving on. Here's a 16-foot 6-gauge jumper cables. Original price is $18.99. They're on sale right now for $15.99. I don't know how well the jumper cables are from Harbor Freight, but for $15.99, it's not a bad deal. It's always good to carry those in your vehicle. I know I carry at least one set of jumper cables. We have one set of jumper cables, and then we have a battery jump starter in our cars because I've noticed sometimes the jump starters just don't have enough power, or they accidentally get turned on when they're jostling around in the vehicle. And then when you need to use it, unfortunately, you don't have the power. Ask me how I know that. So moving on, some generators and plumbing. Not much for us here. Moving on to some hand tools. So here we have this, something I'm actually interested in. We have this hydraulic wire cramping tool from Pittsburgh. Original price is $69.99. It's on sale right now for $49.99. I've been looking at getting something like this, especially to crimp battery cable wires if I need to repair them instead of maybe replacing them. And for other situations. I don't have any first-hand knowledge on that. Never heard anything good or bad about these from Harbor Freight, but if you guys out there have some insight, I would greatly appreciate it. So here we have this Quinn 3/8" drive SAE and metric chrome socket and ratchet set. You guys know how I feel about the Quinn sets. The sockets are amazing. However, the socket wrenches are a little questionable, at least the experience I had with them, and I've never went to try them again. So if you guys had some good or bad experiences out there with those, please let us know in the comment section below. This set is a 21-piece 3/8" drive set. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale for $21.99. So not a bad deal if you want some extra tools lying around or throw a set of tools in your car for emergency situations. Here we have Icon 11-inch long, 11-inch long reach pistol grip needle nose pliers. Original price is $19.99. They're on sale for $14.99. These are pretty cool. They come in handy. I've used these a couple times. They got me out of a pinch where maybe some straight pliers wasn't the ideal tool, which could have done the job, but these pistol grips actually made it a lot easier. Not a bad deal on that, especially from Icon. And we're going to lose our place every time we click on something. Next up, we have the Quinn 1/2" drive extendable breaker bar. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale right now for $24.99. I actually have a breaker bar, the Quinn Breaker Bar, but it's in 3/8" drive, and that thing is amazing. Really enjoy it. Didn't think it would stand up as a breaker bar because it's extendable, but it actually does a really good job. I've actually been meaning to get this 1/2" extendable breaker bar, but we haven't done it yet. But with this coupon, we actually might take advantage of that. Its original price is $29.99. It's on sale for $24.99. So not a bad deal there. Next up, we have a 32-ounce soft face dead blow hammer from Icon. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale right now for $24.99. Not a bad deal here either. I've got actually a couple of their dead blow hammers, and so far I am really enjoying their dead blow hammers. They are standing up quite nicely. Haven't had an issue with them, so highly recommend that as well. Moving on to lighting and specialty. We've talked about these Braun rechargeable magnetic foldable work lights before. I'm not a big fan of those. Their original price is $29.99. They're on sale right now for $19.99. I do not recommend these. Out of the three that I had, all three gave out on me. I know someone in the comments had told me that you could replace the batteries fairly cheap. I have not done that. I might do it. I highly doubt it, but 3 out of 3 going bad on me. I just can't endorse that. I can't. I would tell you guys, I would recommend you not to buy that. But to each their own. If you guys have had some good or bad experiences with that, please put it in the comment section below. Okay, guys, so moving on. We've talked about these Storehouse watertight heat shrink butt connectors, assortment of 30-piece. Original price is $9.99. It's on sale right now for $6.99. Not a bad deal on that as well. Usually when they're on sale, I usually try to pick up one or two just to have some extras lying around if need be. So not a bad deal on that. Moving on. Material handling and safety. Not much there. Moving on to the outdoors. Again, not much for us there. Going into the power tools. Oh, sorry about that. Going into the power tools. We got some Hercules and Bauer. I'm not going to go through all those guys. I heard a lot of good stuff about the Hercules. We've talked about that before. Bauer's a pretty decent brand, not too bad. So, sorry guys if we're skipping over that. I don't want to make this too long. Going into the shop and garage, we have this Pittsburgh we've talked about before. This 2-ton capacity foldable shop crane. Original price is $369.99. It's on sale right now for $329.99. So we have one very similar to that. I'm not sure it's the same one. It might be. Really great shop crane. Folds up quite nicely. Doesn't take up a lot of space, and it really helps. Really helps you get you out of a pinch. So highly recommend that. Here's another Pittsburgh item. It's a 1,000-pound capacity engine stand. Original price is $99.99. It's on sale right now for $84.99. Not a bad deal on that. Haven't had any experience with it, but I've heard some good stuff about it. So moving on. Here's a Pittsburgh 250-pound capacity creeper with adjustable headset. We were looking to get the Daytona version of this, but we missed the sale. This is original price is $44.99. It's on sale right now for $37.99. Anybody have any good or bad experiences with this? We might go ahead and take our chances with this one. Although we might just wait till the Daytona goes back on sale. Daytona looks a lot better, lot more sturdier, I should say. So moving on, going back down to our spot. Moving on to storage. We've talked about these before as well. The U.S. General roll cabinets. Original price is $399.99. It's on sale right now for $349.99. The U.S. General stuff is really great products. Never had a complaint from anybody, or never heard complaints from anybody on the U.S. General roll cabinets. I have the tech carts, and I absolutely love them. Highly recommend those. Moving on. Not much for us here. Going into welding and machinery. Not much here. And that is it, guys. That completes. That completes our New Year, new coupons. It started Monday, December 30th through Sunday, January 12th, guys. So you got plenty of time to pick up on these savings, these coupons for the new year. So we're going to start the new year out with the bang and with some Harbor Freight savings, guys. So just a reminder, Monday, December 30th through Sunday, January 12th. However, the Happy New Year special deal with the 15% off any single item in store or online, it's only 3 days from December 30th through January 1st. So you only got a couple of days to take advantage of this 15% off coupon, guys. So if we take advantage of anything, we'll go ahead and do a video on it and let you guys know. We did pick up some cool items. Maybe icon, maybe not. Who knows? But we'll definitely be doing a video on it as well. So anyway, guys, if you guys pick up or if you guys take advantage of these savings, make sure to put it in the comment section below. So I just want to end this with a bang and a Happy New Year's to everyone out there. I hope everyone spends it with their family and has a big, safe bang out there tonight. So please take care and Happy New Year's from our family to yours. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.